Hello everyone, welcome to Morning English. This is Max.
Hello everybody, this is Nora. 欢迎大家收听早安英文。
Hello, welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
So, Nora, you must know by now that there are many, many idioms in English.
Yeah, there are thousands and thousands. And even though I know a lot, I'm sure there are many I haven't heard of yet.
Well, me too. But you lived in England for a while. Did you ever hear the typical two-word idioms or sayings?
就是说两个词的习语。You mean like tip-top?
Yeah, sure, like tip-top. The ones I'm talking about either rhyme or start with the same letter.
You know, the one thing you Brits can do is make English cute and funny.
Well, it is our language. Everyone else is just borrowing it.
那的确是这样一说啊，英语中有很多那种押韵的短语，比如说我们刚刚讲到 tip-top 就是押头韵，而且都是字母 T 开头。
Yeah, so if you say everything is tip-top, you mean that everything is of the very best class or quality. In other words, everything is excellent.
对 tip 呢，本意这个单词呢就可以指尖端 ，top 是顶端，所以加起来就是指那种完美的状态。So, for example, how's your health, Max?
Tip-top condition, thanks.
That's great. 那我们刚刚其实就讲到了一个这样子的 typical British two-word idioms. 但真正在生活中使用的时候，其实还是有特别多类似的，对吧？
Yeah, I thought we could talk about that in today's podcast. Oh, actually, I should mention some of the ones I thought of aren't actually two words. They are two-syllable words.
OK. 所以就是有的我们今天要讲到的短语啊，它并不是真的两个词，而是合成了一个双音节的词。That sounds fun.
Tip-top. Let's get on with it. So, if you reverse tip-top, you get another word, top tip.
Top tip. Does it mean the same as tip-top?
No. Top tip is a small but particularly useful piece of practical advice.
I see. 所以在这个时候，这个 top 就是做形容词，表最好的，而 tip 就是名词，表建议。So top tip 是指的最重要的建议或者是窍门。
Exactly.
So what's your top tip for the day, Max?
Eat, drink, and be happy. That's the secret to a long life, I think.
That's a tip-top top tip. 就是最最最最好的建议了。I think I've heard the phrase many times on many TV shows before.
Yeah, you'll usually hear a TV show giving you their top tip of the day. Like with a car show, their top tip might be to buy a second-hand car.
My top tip for you is not talk about cars.
No need to be so humdrum, Nora.
Humdrum. Well, that doesn't sound like a good word.
Well, if someone or something is humdrum, it's basically boring.
What? So, humdrum is 就是非常无聊、单调的 specifically lacking excitement and very boring, which is not me.
Sure, but you have to agree that sometimes life can be very humdrum.
Well, yeah, that's life though. Sometimes it's humdrum, sometimes it's very exciting.
Oh, here's another one of Max's tip-top top tips. If you want to avoid a humdrum life, avoid eating humdrum food.
Humdrum food. 无聊的食物. What do you mean? Like, how can food be humdrum?
Well, healthy food is usually quite boring, so don't eat that.
So basically, your top tip is to stop eating healthy food?
Yes.
Okay, Max, enough mumbo-jumbo, please. A Nora top tip is to keep eating healthily.
Not a very good top tip, I'm afraid. Also, I do not speak mumbo-jumbo.
Yeah, just kidding. Anyway, 我们刚刚讲到了一个短语啊 ，mumbo-jumbo， 它指的就是一些莫名其妙的话，或者说是废话。听上去这个单词的发音，我感觉也非常的无厘头，就像是一个随意被捏造的词。
So mumbo-jumbo basically means nonsense, especially spoken or written.
Right. Anything we don't understand, we can call mumbo-jumbo. Such as, I find banking information to be mumbo-jumbo.
Or, you're not going to sign that mumbo-jumbo contract, are you? It makes no sense.
那其实我刚刚还想起了一个跟 mumbo-jumbo 很像的一个短语啊。I think it's like trap clap.
Trap clap? Oh, you're thinking of clap trap. That means silly talk, which means nothing and should not be believed.
Yeah, that's it. Clap trap. 那这个短语的本身的意思呢，就是指的故意引起你鼓掌的一个陷阱，所以可以用来指花言巧语，也是指那种非常无聊的蠢话、废话。Clap trap.
Like, don't believe anything Nora says. It's just a load of claptrap.
What did I say?
I don't know. Anyway, claptrap is used mostly in a condescending way. It gives you the opportunity to say what you really think about what another person says. Basically, stupid, nonsense, these kind of things.
All right. 所以这个词呢，说出来也是非常显得有优越感的。就你会觉得别人说的话都很蠢。In which case, I think Max is full of claptrap.
Okay. Anyway, can you think of another?
Hush, hush.
Excuse me?
Here, I don't mean to shut up. I mean hush, hush. Something that's a secret.
All right. Actually, I like this one. So, hush hush is basically an informal word for secret.
是的，其实刚刚讲到这个短语啊 hush hush 在口语中呢就可以指秘密。不过刚刚 Max 一度以为我说的是另外一个意思啊，指的就是让人闭嘴。
So, the word hush means silence. And if you are silent, then you can't tell a secret. So that's why we can use hush hush.
是的，不过我们要注意 hush hush 不能够直接说成 it's a hush hush， 因为它不像 secret 一样是一个可数名词。
Right. We say it's all very hush hush. Like, I can't tell you what the boss said to me in the meeting. It's all hush hush.
Right. Anyway, let's not dilly-dally. It's your turn to think of one.
But you just said one.
I did?
Yeah, the UK must have had a good influence on you to not even notice.
Well, thanks, I guess. What did I say?
What did you say?
What did I say?
Did you say? What did you say? Oh, you said dilly-dally.
Okay. All right. Dilly-dally. 那这个短语的意思呢，就是别磨蹭了，别磨叽了。
Yeah, so this means to waste time, especially by being slow. Nora was dilly-dallying before she came to work today.
I was not. I was just late because of the traffic.
Yeah, sure.
Well, so Max dilly-dallies all the time after lunch.
Of course I do. That's because I get everything I need to do done before lunch. That way I can relax. Technically, that's not dilly-dallying. It's called being efficient.
No, it's being called lazy.
Oh, please, enough of your claptrap.
Hey, enough of your mumbo-jumbo.
Okay, well, I think we have one more before we call it a day.
Okay, so what were you thinking?
Well, we could do topsy-turvy.
Topsy-turvy? What does that mean?
Basically, it means confused or lacking organization. So, everything at work has been topsy-turvy recently.
Oh, you mean your life? Or I get it. 所以 topsy-turvy 就是指的这种乱七八糟的状态，比如说工作安排很乱，或者说生活颠三倒四，都可以用这个短语啦。
Anyway, another one of Max's top tips. Try to be organized at work and then it won't be so topsy-turvy.
Sounds like you keep yourself organized at work.
I try.
好了，那其实我们今天刚刚已经讲了很多个两个词的短语啦。那么今天的节目呢，也到这里结束了。
Anyway, that's all the time we have for today.
Welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
So, thank you so much for listening. This is Max.
This is Nora. See you next time. Bye.